Hello in my factory. I have a PONSSE Beaver piece set on my machine table, and what is happening, here is a worn bolt or something like that. You can see how much worn it is. It should be a 30 millimeters in diameter, but right now it's 26 only. What I can do, first I offer to customer cut off the weld and exchange this piece, but he won't want that, and I take a reason, take a drill like this and remove this bolt by drilling, and then I take a feed tapping tool and tap a thread right there and set a new bolt from better material than this. Also a few words for PONSSE pieces. Here is a weld, another side too is weld. Maybe this piece is wrong design. Also here is some self-made welds. I don't know why. Maybe here have some cracks or something like that. But my work is repair this and this bolt. I again use center finding tool, and I already find the center of the bolt. Work will be done by my horizontal boring machine, and first I will make a pre-drill by Sandvik 10 millimeters solid carbide drill bit, and then I take high speed steel 27.25 millimeters drill bit, and this will be good for metrical threads M30 point, and pitch is 2 millimeters. So thanks for watching, good luck, and have a nice day.